Hey everybody, Thelindabradley here. I have a really fun layaway for you and I'm just going to get right to it. So two of the most popular items in our catalog right now are the electrics, okay? These are the big buddies and we use them so much in our kitchen. So the first one is our stand mixer, and I've done many videos on it, but if you haven't seen it, real quick, it has a 7-quart bowl, which I love how nice and big it is, great handle on it. It has a splash protector so that when you put your flour, it doesn't come right up at you. On the bottom of it, it has 6 suction cups, so it stays down nice. It only weighs 14 pounds, so it's easy to move, and you can use it for so many things. I use it for mixing literally everything from obviously your cake and your, that type of dough, your brownie doughs, but I also use it to mix meatballs, meatloaf, cheese sauces, anything like that. Then we have the original one, and this is the high power blender. So this has 3 different adjustable, it has an adjustable knob, but then it has 3 pre-programmed ones. So one's for soup, it makes hot soup in 7 minutes. It has dips and spreads, you can make homemade hummus and pesto and all that kind of stuff. And then of course what most people use it for are the smoothies. It has such a high power that you can put your fruits in here whole and it just pulverizes them. So both of these are the really popular items that everybody loves. So I put a set together and here's how it works. You have to choose one or the other, all right? I don't know which one you want, which one you have, but you get to choose one or the other. And then in addition to that, I'm going to give you the most beautiful dishes that we've come out with. So this is called the mint limoncello. So you're going to see the mint dinner plate, and then here are I keep calling them tulips, the lemons, the limoncello in the Marbella. So this is stoneware. These pieces are good up to 400 degrees in the oven. They're dishwasher safe as well. And so you're going to get a set of 4 dinner plates, 4 luncheon plates, 4 mugs, 4 bowls and 8 mugs. So this way you can keep a set of mugs for yourself and maybe give a set away. So these in the book sell for $619. This whole place setting sells for $299, but we are not paying full price for anything. So this is a set that I can save you almost 50% when you buy it as a package. The total package is $605.17. That includes shipping, includes tax. You can start with just $160 down and then make 10 weekly payments of $44.50 each. I can adjust those payments however you want. So if you don't want to make them weekly, you want to do them every other week, that's fine. Just reach out to me, thelindabradley@gmail.com, and I will get it set up for you. As always, when I make up these packages, they are limited time. So make sure you reach out to me and let me know that you want it, and I will reserve one in your name. So you get to choose the mixer, the blender, one of these, and then of course you get the whole dishware set as well. You're gonna love this set. All right, see you next time.